Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect sound systems to your Samsung TV. It's very simple, just turn on the TV and navigate to the left side of the home screen. Once you do that, scroll down and select Settings and All Settings. Under this menu you can adjust everything about your TV. Obviously, now we are looking for the Sound tab, under which the first option is going to be Sound Output. This is where you can connect sound systems to your TV. You can either use the TV speaker, obviously it's already connected, it's built in, but you can also connect a optical receiver via a cable, or you can connect Bluetooth speakers of any kind. You just have to select this tab. It's going to turn on the Bluetooth of your TV and start scanning for an available Bluetooth device. Once it finds something, you just click on it and you can connect your Bluetooth speaker and enjoy watching your TV. If this video was helpful for you, consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.